In the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and merciful, my name is Habiba. I am from Chemistry Department. My ID is 014. Today, topic of my presentation is Intermediate Python. And this presentation is presented to Dr. Hammad Majeed. First of all, you can see contents of my presentation, including dictionaries and pandas, then logic, control flow, and filtering. After that, loops, and then case study. So first of all, we'll talk about dictionaries and pandas. Creating dictionary. So in this first slide, you can see how to create dictionary. For example, in the given query, in the first line you can see definition of countries and capital. So we have to put text corresponding to the countries and capitals. And in the fifth line, you can see from string in countries and capitals, create dictionary Europe. So that's how dictionary is created in the query in Python. Then manipulation dictionary. First, we created dictionary. Now we have to manipulate the dictionary. And in the given query, you can see after that, now we'll talk about logic, control flow, and filtering. Compare arrays. Import numpy as np. For example, in the given query, you can see my house is equal to numpy.array and your house is equal to numpy.array. So there is just different in the values, or you can see there are different variables. So my house greater than or equal to 18 and my house less than your house. So these two are the conditions which you have to put into the query to get your required results. But the main purpose of this query is to understand how to compare arrays in the query of Python. Then Boolean operators. In the given query, you can see, first of all, we have to put variables. Then there are three different conditions. First one is my kitchen bigger than 10 and smaller than 18. Second one is my kitchen smaller than 14 or bigger than 17. Third one is double my kitchen smaller than triple your kitchen. So different operators are used in the queries of Python to get the results by coding. So the third main point of this course is about loops. While loop. So in the given query, you can see how to use while loop. In the fourth line, you can see code the while loop while offset is equal to 0. That's how you have to put the while loop in the different queries. Then for loop. So just like while loop, you have to put for loop in your query. Then case study. If-ELIF-ELSE statement. So it is the example of case study. First of all, you have to put if statement, then elif, then else. After that, you have to print out the results. Then visualizing your work. After all, you have to visualize your work. Here is certification which I have got after completing this course of Python, which is named as Intermediate Python. That was all from my side. Thank you.